welcome. It's
Thank
very
you.
nice to meet you. You have a very impressive Instagram.
Thank you.
Visually, I was just like, wow, this is like real talent.
Yeah,
So.
thank you.
And what brings you to see us?
Well, I found you guys on Instagram. I want to fix that I notice when I take photos.
Let's take a look together and see. Show me exactly what it is that you see that's bothering you.
Okay, so first of all, when I always, like, when I do my makeup, I have to, like, do that, and it immediately creases everything.
Right.
I have a very prominent brow bone, but I think that's a whole nother thing that I need to get done. Definitely my smile line, and I have a really bad bag. They are not designer.
Okay.
They are purple.
Let me take a look here. Yeah, so for this area here, I would suggest Botox just to help like smooth the movement. And then you do have some hollowing here as well. You know, your options would be to put a little trace of filler there.
Just fill that up?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then smooth this transition between your cheek and your upper lip. So putting a bit of filler in the deep nasolabial fold would really help. And then the smallest amount of filler for the under eye. We can start, you know, conservative. What I'm really good at is making it not look like you've had anything done.
That's what I'm going for.
Very, very natural. Deep breaths in and out through this thing. Yep. How you feeling?
Good. My self-tanner will definitely come off when you do that. But we don't care.
No.
We're natural queens.
How you doing?
Good.
I'm using a microcannula, so this long thing here is not a needle. So the tip of it is actually smooth. That's why it's not causing any bruising or damage. So I'm able to lay the filler in all these different planes and all these different levels, down to the bone, right under the skin. Boom. Check out your chin and jaw.
Oh, it's like instant.
Yeah. Look at this thing, man. Isn't that cool? It takes about 2 weeks for everything to settle out, but that's about the result that's going to be there for a year. So now I'm going to do your nasolabial folds.
Can I do more of this?
Yeah.
Is there like a limit on this?
No, it's totally self-controlled. It's only 50% nitrous. And this cannula allows me to fill. It's like sculpting, really the best technique. Yeah, no more Facetune app.
He already knows the drill. We don't need any more of it.
That's right.
I want to be able to delete my Facetune app.
Perfect.
Okay guys, I'm with Dr. Karimi. We already did the smile lines and my jaw, and we are about to do the forehead now, right?
We're going to do a little bit to the tail of brow, your temple, and your forehead, just to help contour it.
It's like weird because I can hear it.
Exactly. Yep. So this is the mid-forehead here, so we can see the big kind of prominent brow bones here. So we're just doing a little bit right in the central region, nice and deep with our cannula. And just smooth out that contour really nicely. So we can see the smooth transition now from the forehead to the brow. You can see the side-by-side really, really nicely. So here you can see the untreated area, hollow, hollow, hollow. Here you can see smooth, smooth, smooth. So as before the forehead looks, that's the way it looks. It really, it's really nice. Perfect. Wasn't too bad, right? Congratulations.
We're done?
You are done.
Yay.
Yeah. This is our finished masterpiece. So you can take a seat, there's no more circles, nice and smooth. All the way to the nasolabial, which has been softened really nicely. In the next couple days, all of this is gonna open up and really become really nice and solid without any lines. The tail of your brow, you can see it's not so skeletonized. It's nice and healthy looking here. And of course, you know, our chin and jawline now matching as well. So there you have it.
It looks amazing. I'm excited to see whenever it's like fully done.
Totally. I'm really pleased with how everything went.
Me too. It looks so good. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
I love it. I instantly noticed there's definitely, it's filled in under my eyes and my forehead, and I love the jaw. I'm excited to see what it looks like after it's done fully healing, but he did a great job. Everything is definitely perfect. I wanted it exactly like this.